let's talk about one of the coolest and best and brightest LED lights I've seen for an above ground pool yet. That's right, my voice is making that happen.
Life was ordinary. Subscribe.
I swear I get so excited every spring when my grass comes in as good as it is right now. If you only knew about 4 years ago how horrible my yard was, weed infested. I do have a video on how I fixed it, so maybe I'll link it in the description of this video. But today we're going to talk about a super cool pool light that we're going to hang over the side here and put in. The new pump is working awesome, by the way, because the water's a little low. That's why it's jetting out like that, but it's literally that strong. But we're going to talk about a super cool LED pool light, and I'm going to show you how to install it. Here is the light. Pretty nice little box it comes in. Here's your instructions. That's basically what the light looks like. So it's going to hang on the inside of my Intex pool. Now you can use it in below ground pools. It comes with a magnet, and they give you some glue, and you can glue that magnet to the side on the inside, and the light will stick to it. Since I have an Intex pool, this magnet will go on the outside, and it'll actually work holding the light to the wall from the outside in. Okay, so here's your power. It is a plug-in, 110, but this converts it down to 12 volts. So there's no hazard inside the pool with the water at all. Okay, basically it's going to hang inside the pool just like that. So let's show you how to hang it. This is exactly what I was saying. The magnet sticks on the outside of your Intex, and the light hangs right on the inside just like that. Pretty easy. And it's pretty solid. It ain't going nowhere. Now I did want to show you on the picture here, there's this little metal clip right here, and basically it's to help hang the light inside the pool, and you attach it to, you know, one of the arms right here. It didn't come with my kit, so I don't know if they stopped putting them in there, but I don't need it. I'm still going to install it. Okay, I put 2 and 2 together. Obviously the pamphlet is the old packaging. The box is the new packaging. You can see the magnet on the box, the cord, and there's no cable, where this old picture has the cable and no magnet. So that answers that question. You don't need that cable. So now I'm starting the clip from back here because the cord is not an eyesore at all. I mean, it hides away. I've got it tucked behind the leg there. I've got it plugged in on the other side of my pump there. It goes right over the side. And that is a 26-foot cord, by the way. So you can plug it in here, and I could run it to the other side of the pool if I wanted to. But, I mean, it's a piece of cake as far as installation goes. So basically, the next step we need to do is we're going to download the app from that QR code right there. Here's for the ultimate test. It's nighttime. Let's go ahead and got the app open. Ooh, look at that. That is really, really bright. This is an 18-foot round pool, and that is extremely bright. Wow. Okay. I'm happy with that. Let's see. Let's play with some other colors here. You can spin it around the world, I call it. There's like a purple, a pink. There's like a million different colors. Seriously. I mean, okay. Style. Static blue. You got all these different styles you can switch to. Color jumping. Wow. 3-color crossfade. 7-color crossfade. This thing also has where you can set up to your mic. Okay. Yes, it's okay. It's going to my voice. How cool is that? You can also set it to music, which I'm not going to play any music right now, but you can get an idea what the music's going to do based on my voice. Let's wrap up this video. Super happy with this product. I think it's a great, very powerful light. It's got so many different options to it. I think you'd be happy with it too. I don't really push products too much that I'm not happy with, and I'm extremely happy with this one. Again, I have an 18 foot round. The one light is perfect for it. They do sell a 2-pack that would probably be better for a pool that's bigger in size. And I mean, super bright. Just one, you can imagine what one is, what two would look like. Again, so if you have any questions, just please feel free to leave a comment. I'm really good at answering questions. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I just installed this new filter pump. Awesome, love it. I have videos on all my PVC plumbing here, so I'll link some of those videos in the description here. And happy pool season. Y'all have a blessed day. Obviously, it's way too bright to see how cool these lights look right now, but let's go ahead and turn the lights off. Yep, I had a feeling that would be much, much better. I like that.